Now that we've had a chance to go over what OKRs are, it's time to learn how to write good ones. OKRs are not simply key performance indicators or KPIs. They're the most important things that you and your team want to address in the moment. They're the things that you're thinking about that you need to accomplish 30 days from now, 60 days from now, 90 days from now. They're the things that are the most pressing for you and your team. OKRs represent more than just progress. They represent the meaningful changes we want to see happen, the meaningful improvements that we want to see from our team and our organization. So a lot of times OKRs look like they describe the extraordinary, the audacious, things that are pushing us beyond, and that's a good thing. And we're talking about big things like introducing disruptive innovations or addressing a problem within an organization that has been just festering year after year, or thinking about your competitors and how you fit against them and being the leader in your industry. In addition, good OKRs detail the criteria that help communicate to your team if you're successful or not in the actions that you decided to take together. That information helps your team understand if they need to course correct or change action. And that's why we make OKRs public. They end up being this very transparent communication tool that your entire team can rally behind. So those are some general ideas of what makes a good OKR. But let's dig into objectives. Objectives exist to accomplish the what, and that what is an articulation of your mission. And so if you don't see your mission reflected in the objectives that you're setting, you got to take another pass at it. But there is a way to help you define if your objective is good or not. And there are 3 qualities that make a good objective. A good objective is meaningful. It articulates a top priority and provides clear direction. A good objective is audacious. It should be pushing your team to do what you thought wasn't possible. And a good objective is inspiring. It's memorable and empowering for your team. Okay, we can't talk about OKRs and only focus on objectives. There's key results too. So let's talk about good key results. Good key results are the 3 to 5 criteria that show you've accomplished those objectives. Sometimes they're called milestones or benchmarks, but we call them key results. And a good set of key results have these qualities. They're specific and time-bound. They're aggressive yet realistic, but most of all, they're measurable and verifiable. These key results help us know if we're on track or off track. This knowledge is fuel for a team to understand what it's supposed to be doing next. Okay, so that was the basics, and now we're going to start doing. We're going to start writing great objectives and learning how to craft great key results.